How you doing today, people? It's AM30TX Car Audio 82. So I just got Stu putting in a 4-channel and some extra speakers in the back window for a 2007 Chevy Impala. So dude, the customer got a little touchscreen radio, changed the speakers, put some 6.5s in the door. They pioneered 6 3 ways, and put the amp in there, you know, got it tucking in a little bit, got the distribution block. So I'm gonna play a little bit. Let's get me open the trunk up. Like this car got component speakers in there, and I put some extra speakers in the back window, so you can't put 2 6x9s in this little nice little opening right there. It won't come down. You don't have to screw them down or nothing. It stay in place, and it sounds good too. Give y'all a little demo. Let's see how it work this radio.
And that ain't nothing. It just started, man. QC! Yeah. Yeah.